Welcome
to...
It's about to be Christmas. Not really. It's still 27 days until Christmas. So that means it's not even December yet. But Thanksgiving is over. So that means it's time to get out some of the Christmas decorations.
Yay!
And that includes most especially
But is not limited to...
the Nutcrackers. This is the biggest one we have. Selena got it for me. This one says, "To my big sister, I love you," from Selena.
I've got someone's head here.
Is that mine?
Oops.
Oh my gosh, is this mine?
Yeah. Look.
I have Boston ornament and Patriots.
Olivia's theme with her Nutcrackers so far is a blue dressed drummer. Oh, yay! To my silly jester, Merry Christmas 2016.
Most of them are Selena's, because I buy one or three for her every year.
1 or 3. This says, to Selena from Olivia, Merry Christmas 2017. This one's my biggest one.
It is?
Yeah.
Oh, it's so small. This says, to my tall twin, Merry Christmas 2018. Okay. This is why this said, to my tall twin. Well, we're not twins. I'm just making sure everyone watching, no matter who they are. But this is me and this is Selena. Basically.
This says, to my spark little drummer, because I couldn't figure out how to spell sparkly. To my spark little drummer, Olivia 2017, love Selena.
Whoa.
This one's very spark.
Spark drummer. This
was the first of Olivia's collection, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah.
Oh! Can anyone guess what he is? Santa Claus! Santa Claus! No, it just says 2018.
2018.
So we will now change this to 27 days until Christmas.
He's a baker, and it says, to sweet Selena, love Olivia, Merry Christmas 2014.
This Olivia wrapped up to look like an ice cream cone.
Yeah.
It was really so awesome.
Cool.
I was so excited. A little disappointed when I opened it.
And it wasn't an ice cream cone.
It's really squishy.
The most important Nutcracker of them all.
It says, to Selena, love Olivia.
This is the first ever Nutcracker.
Dun 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 dun. The story behind this:
we were at Target and Mom and I walked by this. When I saw that one, I decided that was the one that we wanted to get for her. And then Selena joined us 10 minutes later and we walked by it again and we were trying to get her to avoid seeing it at all. And she looks down at the exact one I picked out and says, "Oh my gosh, I love that. I would want that." And it was so weird. Coincidence that I knew that she would like it.
It was awesome. That was in 2010.
And then she opened it up and she was like, "It's the one I wanted." Mom and I were like, "No, we picked it out before you even wanted it."
Yeah. This smells not bad, but strong.
That's what your deodorant is.
Shut up.
It says, "Merry Christmas, Selena. Love, Olivia, 2013.
This.
Aww. Oh, okay. Well, we bought this one together. We went to Dirt Cheap, and obviously it's dirt and it's cheap. So
It was $2.
It was $2, but he's the only one with brown hair, and it looks disgusting, but it's adorable.
And it represents the year.
Yeah, 2020.
This one is 2011.
La la. Mom got each of us, I think all 4 of us kids, an ornament.
His arm is moving.
Well, he has a string and you can hang him up on a tree.
What? This is from Miss Salida, our ballet teacher, to Olivia, who re-gifted it to me for my collection.
Yeah.
This was before Olivia had one.
Yeah, it was necessary for her collection because of its height. This is 2013.
For little sister, Merry Christmas 2017.
Oh, why is it little? Because I'm younger than you. This is another one from 2013.
Merry Christmas, Selena. Heart Olivia 2013. To Selena. Love Olivia, Christmas 2000. These came together.
And last but not least, this says, "May all your Christmases be emerald."
I was born in May.
'10, 2011, 2012, 2013, 2013, 2013, 2014, 2015, 2016, 2017, 2017, 2018, 2018, 2018, 20. Now to set them up on the table. Woohoo! last but not least,